Okay, so this is my extreme PTO electric clutch replacement for my John Deere 325. It's right here. From the back. Now there's a collar on here that was not on the original, the one that came off. So we're going to go ahead and put that on. Since the original one kind of dropped off and fell in the yard, I'm guessing that is laying out in the yard someplace. I've already removed, obviously removed itself, the old one, but cleaned this up halfway decent. Used a Brillo pad. I don't have any C's, but I've got to get this thing put back together, so we'll go with it like this. Also, note, I'm putting a new bolt and cupped washer or domed washer. This will be, the dome will be facing down towards the ground when I put it on. Okay, I've got this sitting up in here. The everything is aligned properly. I don't even know if this is in focus. There we go. And the cord is over to the side where it needs to be. Okay, we've got that on hand tight. Let me zoom out. Maybe. It's kind of tough doing this. There we go. It's on hand tight. Now up top I've got this removed. I'm going to see, I think the torque spec is like 50 pounds. I'm going to see if I can't hold this thing steady this way as soon as my beautiful wife gets out here to help. So we're going to take a break till she gets here. Alright, it's already torqued down 50 pounds. Okay, here's my poor tired old 48-inch deck. It's kind of a mess, actually, pretty bad. But we're going to put it back on. I've got a 54-inch that I just got a hell of a deal on that will hopefully be here sometime in the next couple of weeks. So let's go ahead, hang this thing, go through the checks. The new PTO has to be burnished. I have just a couple of steps to do that, check the torque, etc. So that'll be up next. Okay, now we're going to do the test. You're supposed to be at half running speed. Engage the blade for a few seconds. turn it off, repeat that a few times, and then re-torque. So let's give it a shot. Okay, at this point we're supposed to recheck the torque. I set it to 50. We'll see how that works. Okay, new PTO clutch is on, and we're gonna try it out, see how it works.